Hello, my name's Lynn French, and with my husband David we run 5-star pest control. We service commercial and domestic pest control problems. It took about 6-7 years to build the business up to a point where we needed extra staff, and at that point I discovered that my bookkeeping skills and my job maintenance was not up to scratch. So when we took on extra member of staff, it became obvious that I needed to streamline the operations to make our working life a lot simpler, and all the admin jobs that I have to just run much more smoothly. And Powered Now has really helped me with that, from invoicing and creating a customer database, which I was desperately in need of. All my expenses went through it. The chaps out on the road, they had a tablet, which was brilliant. They could look on their tablets, create a report for each customer, and then that report would go directly to the customer, telling them exactly what they've done and all of the important information. That would be uploaded and it would go directly to the customer. It's considerably reduced the amount of physical paper that I have to process and store. Having a central database with all my customers on it, I can then, after a job has been completed, automatically, with all of their details, create an invoice or a quotation and send it straight to them. That can be completely tied in with the certificate that they've already received for the job that they've had done. I can just click on the customer, create the invoice, send it off. When it comes to recording expenses, it's just as easy. I've got all my suppliers in the database, and when I receive an invoice, it's very easy that I can either schedule a payment or pay it in real time there and then when I receive the invoice. Previously, it was information all onto the spreadsheet. Half the time I'd get it wrong. Powered Now will add the VAT as a separate entity. I don't have to do any of that. Everything just gets scheduled and paid as it's required.